Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Here's tonight's little camp. We're in a bit of a clearing on a woods road, just above Little Lake on a hill. Well, quite a piece above Little Lake. And as you can see, this is a car camp. Won't be staying too long because I forgot a few important things I need to camp with. So we're going to have a nice sleep out here tonight. It's nice and quiet. I'll show you around. Got the fire going. It's pretty dry and warm, so fire was pretty easy to get going. There's the tent. There's my new rucksack. I got myself American Army moldy ruck. I made some modifications to it. 2-liter jug. As you can see, this is the 2-part moldy ruck. It was called the Moldy 2. It's a nice ruck, 5,600 cubic inches altogether. Wood pile. I'm sitting watching the fire spot. That's enough for now.